Hello everyone, in this video I will read to you Melania Trump biography. Early life and background. Melania Trump, born Melanija Knavs on April 26, 1970 in Novo Mesto, Slovenia, then part of Yugoslavia, is a former model and a wife of Donald Trump, the 45th and 47th President of the United States. She was raised in nearby town of Sevnica in a modest household. Her father, Viktor Knavs, was a car dealer, and her mother, Amalija Ulčnik, worked in the textile factory designing children's clothing. Melania grew up during a time of communist rule in Yugoslavia, but lived in a relatively comfortable life thanks to her father's work. She attended the secondary school of design and photography in Ljubljana and briefly studied architecture at University of Ljubljana before pursuing a modeling career. Melania began modeling at 16 and signed with a modeling agency in Milan at 18. She works in fashion capitals such as Milan and Paris before moving to the United States in 1996. Her modeling career included work for major magazines like Vogue, Harper's Bazaar, and GQ. She posed for a controversial British GQ cover in 2000, which gained significant attention during Donald Trump's presidential campaign. Meeting Donald Trump. Melania met Donald Trump at a fashion party in New York City in 1998. Despite their 24-year age difference, the two developed a strong relationship. They were married on January 22, 2005, in a lavish ceremony in Palm Beach, Florida, attended by high-profile figures including Bill and Hillary Clinton. Melania wore a custom Dior gown estimated to cost $200,000. The couple welcomed their son Baron William Trump on March 20, 2006. Melania has often described herself as a hands-on mother, emphasizing the importance of raising Baron with strong values. First Lady of the United States. Melania became a First Lady on January 20, 2017, when Donald Trump was inaugurated as a 25th president. She was the second First Lady born outside of the United States, following Louise Adams, wife of John Quincy Adams. As First Lady, Melania launched the BEST initiative, focusing on children's well-being, online safety, and combating opioid abuse. While her efforts were sometimes overshadowed by the controversies surrounding her husband's presidency, she maintained a relatively low profile compared to her predecessors. Melania redecorated part of the White House, including the Rose Garden, which drew both praise and criticism. Her style and fashion choices during state visits and public appearances were widely discussed and often celebrated. Life after the White House. Since leaving the White House in January 2021, Melania has remained largely out of the public eye. She resides with Donald Trump at their Mar-a-Lago estate in Palm Beach, Florida, and has focused on family life and private philanthropy. Legacy. Melania Trump is known for her reserved demeanor, elegance, and dedication to her son, Baron. Her tenure as First Lady was marked by efforts to promote kindness and well-being among children. Despite challenges stemming from her husband's controversial presidency, her unique journey from a small town in Slovenia to the world stage as the First Lady of the United States continues to make her a subject to public interest and admiration. And as for me, I always admire beautiful lady with style and with morality, and Melania is one of them. Thank you so much, and please click the like button and the subscribe button to subscribe for more video of significant and famous people. Thank you.